Hi, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's Home Expert. Today we're going to talk a little bit about drill bits. Now, it can be super confusing when you come into the hardware store to look for different kinds of drill bits. I want to specifically talk about boring bits when it comes to drilling into wood. You've got a pretty wide selection here. Traditionally, what you'll have is a paddle bit like this. These are boring bits. This is by Irwin. And these paddle bits, as you can see, kind of look like a spatula. And they call them paddle bits, and they got this little tip here. Different sizes if you're going to drill larger holes into wood. 1 inch, 3/4. This is 5/8 inch. You can put this on the end of a cordless drill, of a corded drill, and you can bore through wood pretty quickly and get a nice hole right through there. Now, if you want a little bit more precision, then if you go with these speed boring bits here, I think that you'll get a really nice clean hole. What's unique about this is similar in the sense that it gives you a nice large hole, but you see that little screw tip on the end? That screw tip helps to get you into the wood, and then it helps the blade of the actual bit to be drawn in. So as you're using the drill, it's screwing into the wood. And because unlike a paddle bit, you've got 3 cutting surfaces here, the hole that you get is much cleaner, and you'll find that you get a nice, better, more professional result by using a drill bit like this. They cost more, there's no question about it. But if you're looking to get nice, clean holes through wood, you've got a couple choices, whether it's a paddle bit like this or these speed bores with the screw tip on the end. If you need more advice on choosing the right drill bit for your project, see the sales associate in your local participating Ace store. Ace is the helpful place.